first step we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and remove the front wheel and the back wheel. We'll have those so we can get a little bit easier to work on both sides of the wheel. Simple remove wheel, front wheel out. Let's put that back in there so we don't lose it. All right, rear wheel. All right, first step done. Wheels have been removed. On to step 2. All right, so now it's time for step 2. Got some alcohol and a rag. We're gonna wipe the wheels, both sides, get them cleaned up. Get any dirt, grease off of them so that the new stickers will stick properly. Basically, you just want to get all the dirt and grime off. And I'm just doing the whole wheel. That way we won't have any problems. And step 3, we're going to mask off where the location is on both sides of the wheel. That way when I go to line up the new stickers, I'll know they're in the same place they were when they came from the factory. I'm just going to go straight up from the corners. Just like that. And I'll do the same thing on this corner. Try to do this parallel as best I can. And now we're going to do step 4 is remove the wheel, or remove the old stickers. So I don't know if I'm going to need a knife or how I'm going to get these off, but we'll see what happens together. Alright, so hoping they come off in one piece. That would be nice. And does not look like that's going to be the case. No. Alright, so I got an easy way to get these off now. I think I figured it out. Just need to run your blade. Make sure you're using a sharp knife and get your blade underneath the edge and just kind of work it down just like this. And you can see it's starting to peel back a little bit of the sticker. Don't want that to fall off. Just get it peeled back to where you get a little bit of the sticker. Once you have quite a bit of the sticker removed from the wheel, then you can actually just pull it up slowly. Just like that. And the sticker comes off. So that is the trick. And you can kind of see some of the residue from the old sticker, where the old sticker was. And I'm going to clean all that up again. After I get all the stickers off, I'm going to clean this area up with alcohol. That way for sure we know there's no grime or nothing that's going to interfere with the new stickers adhering to the wheel. And then again, here we've got one sticker. So this is going a lot better than the first try. So you usually learn as you go. First one of anything always seems to be the hardest. So yeah, we'll go ahead and spin around. So all the stickers have been removed successfully, both sides. Now I'm just wiping down where the stickers used to be. Yeah, real quick, just to show you the old sticker, they were 1, 2, 3, 4 individual pieces, and this is solid. You had to take these off. So the good thing is the new stickers are just one sticker, so I think it'll be a lot easier to put the new ones on. We'll see. And these are the colors I'm going with. I have this other wheel over here, so I'm sure that I'm going to be putting them on correctly, so they actually go on this way. So here goes the first one. There's a very fine edge there. You can see here I started pulling it, but the paper is actually coming with it right here. So I need to find a better way to do this. And I'm thinking I just need to get underneath this edge. Okay. Yeah. So I've got underneath the edge of this one with my knife, and it's coming off easily. And I am just lining it up with the wheel. Just like that. And there's my tape for my alignment. So I can remove that. And I can do the same with this one. Remove this tape. Because it looks like it's going to be hitting just a little bit. And yeah, we don't want that to happen. So the first sticker is in place. I'm just going to work it from the bottom of the rim, and I went right to the edge of the wheel, and I'm just going to work it up slowly, get all the air bubbles out. There you go, one sticker done. And I think that was a good idea to put that little tape around here for the alignment. So we just got a couple more to do on this side and then flip it over. Just the edge, pull the entire sticker off. This is a whole lot easier for me to put on a single sticker instead of 4 separate stickers. And I was kind of going the same color scheme as the color of my bike: orange, blue, black. And I thought the purple looked kind of cool, so I went with purple. I like it. I like it a lot. Looking good. Finally get some color to my wheels. So all right, we're cleaning off the back wheel, just like we did the front wheel. I'm getting all the grease and grime off of it. The back wheel is going to have probably a whole lot more dirt and residue from the chain. Just oils back there sticking to the wheel, and then you get your grime and dirt and dust that sticks to that. But we're going to clean it up nicely and make everything work good. Oh yeah, that was the one side. That's actually the chain side. So this is the chain side, non-chain side, drive side, non-drive side, however you want to call it. So I've got both sides of the wheel cleaned up. I'm just going to take my tape, add my reminders, my guides, so I know where they need to go. I'm going to do that all the way around. Now, yeah, I know what you're thinking. Where have I been? This is the first video I've done in quite some time. I did do another video, Peddler's Jamboree. That was back in May. Prior to that, I actually had thumb surgery, and that took a whole lot longer to heal up than I thought. I was able to do Peddler's Jamboree because I didn't use my thumb. I don't really use my thumb when I'm riding, so, and it was an easy ride on the Katy Trail. Didn't have any problems, but it did take much longer to heal. I guess that comes with age. You get hurt and things take longer to heal. Well, after my thumb finally healed up, it was summer. Summer was full on. It was hot, humid. Don't get me wrong, I've been riding. I just haven't been filming because it's so uncomfortable when it's that hot and nasty out to actually shoot video and have a good time. So the humidity and the heat was keeping me from shooting videos. A couple weeks went by, my wife had an appointment to get back surgery for her second one. We were ready to go. The day before she had to go to her appointment to get her back surgery, she actually ended up getting COVID. That was her first time. So I was on quarantine. I didn't want to spread it to anybody else. And I was also there to help take care of my wife. Well, she got rid of COVID. My quarantine was over. Guess who gets COVID again? Yeah, me. Second time for me. So we had thumb surgery. We had hot and humid summer. We had COVID for my wife, COVID for me. My COVID actually turned into a sinus infection. I had to be on antibiotics, couldn't go out in the sun. Then my wife finally got her surgery that she was supposed to get, and that put her down for a good week or so. So I'm not looking for sympathy. I'm just explaining why I haven't made a video in so long. And fall is here. I love the fall season. It's the favorite time of the year. And I'm just getting my bike ready to go do some riding and some filming. So I promise my next video will be a riding video. Whoop. And we are working on the very last sticker to be installed. So this whole process wasn't that difficult at all. It did take some time. You have to really be sure you clean everything well. Otherwise your stickers may not stick. That was the most time-consuming part of the job, was getting the old stickers off. Once I figured out I could get my knife underneath there, it made things go quite a bit faster. But yeah, that was the most difficult part. So it was basically a few steps. Remove both wheels from your bike, front and rear. Clean the wheel, entire wheel, with alcohol. After I did get my wheels clean, I marked them off with the blue tape. Then I removed all the stickers from both front and rear wheels. Then once I've got all the stickers removed, then I went back in and cleaned that area really well, because there is some residue that's left behind from the old stickers. So once I got that cleaned up, I was able to install the stickers. As I was installing them, I just took the blue guide tape off, and now we have both front and rear wheel sets. I guess both of them. We have the new stickers on, and I think they look pretty good. What do you think? Leave me a comment, let me know. And remember, my next video, I promise, will be a riding video. So thanks again for checking out another one of my YouTube videos. And until next time, see ya.